What's up guys, welcome to ABAUTO. Now I have got a treat for you because behind me is the gorgeous CLA45s. So I've just picked up the CLA45s and this is going to be my first impression and drive coming from the C43. So without any further delay, let's jump in the car, test it out, and I'll give you my first impression. Okay, so here we are, first ever drive in the CLA45s. I'm going to be comparing this directly to my C43 AMG. So let's kick off with an AMG emotion start. So all we do is hold down on one of the paddles, press your foot on the brake and press the start button. Oh, hope that's coming through on the video. That is pretty satisfying. So first impressions, I absolutely love this cabin. All the yellow stitching, the screens, it's all put together so nicely and it all sits really well. Now the screens do feel smaller than the C43, more so the Speedo. But yeah, it looks really nice. The resolution's great. There's a little bit of glare from the sun on it, which is a shame because it does block it a little bit, but it's not too big of a deal. Oh, it's snappy and we're only in comfort mode. One of my first things I've noticed is the accelerator pedal is so much closer to the brake pedal than the C43. So that's just one small observation. So yeah, we're cruising in comfort mode. It's pretty comfortable. I mean, the performance seats are a little bit hard, but they're comfortable. But of course, we're going to flick it into Sport Plus and we're going to give it a proper test. Because I think it's going to feel rapid. So we've got the cool little dials here on the steering wheel. So if we go to Sport Plus, whoa, immediately you can hear, well, it actually sounds pretty good. Whoa, okay, I was not expecting that. I was expecting the power, but I was not expecting it to be that loud. When I've seen this car on videos, it has a kind of nice little tone and, you know, obviously we know it's a bit fake. There's some audio being pumped in, but damn it, it sounds really good. That was really, really satisfying. And the gearbox responded so quickly. Whoa. See, I am missing those little pops at the end. I think there is some, we'll try and get some, but wow, this is a very responsive engine. It's a shame we got these cars in front. What we'll do, we'll slow down a bit and then we'll open it up again. Damn, this car has surprised me. This engine, this exhaust, after watching videos online and just hearing it and thinking it doesn't sound very good and, you know, there's a lot of drama about it, it sounds really good in person. It's so rapid. It's just so rapid. I love this steering wheel as well. I mean, it's the same as the one in the C43, but it's got that Alcantara bit here, and obviously you've got the little dials, which I just love. I mean, you can easily flip between modes on the fly. Steering and handling feels good. A bit more stiff than the C43. Steering's definitely more loose in the C43. So I do feel a little bit more connected to the road actually. But this is a much more aggressive, sporty setup in this car because it's the S model. So this one we're driving here is top of the range. It's got all the bells and whistles. It's the plus version you get in the UK, where you basically just get every optional extra. You don't really get to choose anything else. You can't get the 360-degree camera in the UK, which is a bit of a bummer, but I always want the 360 camera and I never get it. Right, here we go. We can open it up a little bit now. Boy, this car is fast. Brakes are good as well. We've actually got a learner in front of us. I am so impressed with this interior. What a great place to be. You know, you look at the previous generation of the CLA and I really did not like the interior. It was so basic for Mercedes, and this just looks awesome and it feels so sporty with all the stitching. The vents are cool. And what can I say? I'm a bit blown away, to be honest. it's very fast and safe for overtaking. Okay, now we're out of the way, we can do some fun. I'm not going to go too crazy because I'm still getting used to this car. The steering is so different to the C43. I never expected this, guys, but I really like the sound. It's really fun inside. It feels so dramatic because the sound is just coming straight in. I mean, if you had a passenger and you floored it, they would feel like they're on a roller coaster. It's one hell of a ride. And that power's just always there. I better slow down, we're coming into a zone now. We'll turn around and come back on ourselves. So rapid and so much fun. It's definitely got the emotion of an AMG. I think you have to really be in the car to experience it because obviously it doesn't sound as good on the videos, but we'll see how it comes through on my video. I am missing the pops though. I'm not really experiencing huge pops and there's not really many crackles or overrun, but we'll play around. And there's a little bit, you can just about hear it at the back. But yeah, these are the impressions coming from a V6 C43 driver. You know, I love the C43. The handling is completely different to the old CLA, that's for sure. You can really tell a lot of time has been spent on this car, really refining the chassis and the handling, very much more than the regular CLA. This is a true AMG, even though it's a 4-cylinder. Very fun down these country roads, even in the shooting brake. I mean, perhaps the coupe and the hatchback handles a little bit better. I imagine the hatchback is just a little rocket. Stuck behind another car now, but that's okay. Okay, so now we're just going to go in comfort mode for a bit as we go through this town, see how it fares. It's a lot more quieter. You can obviously turn the exhaust button on if you want. But yeah, cruise is okay. I mean, obviously the performance seats are a little bit rough, but they do a really nice job of pulling you in. I really enjoyed that drive. I mean, this car has kind of blown my expectations a little bit. I thought the 4-cylinder and the more quieter exhaust was going to be a bit of a letdown coming from the V6, but I don't know, there's something really special about this car. It looks incredible as well. Once we get out of here, we'll pop it back in Sport Plus and we'll open it up and we'll see how it fares on this road here. I come down this road quite a bit in my C43, so you got some good comparison here. So Sport Plus, of course. And here we go. So there we have it, guys, just a quick first drive impression with the CLA45s. Mercedes kindly lent me this car to drive all weekend, so I've gone mad and have shot tons of content with it. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss more CLA stuff coming very soon, along with my final detailed breakdown comparison between the CLA45S
and the C43 AMG. As always, thanks for watching guys, and have a great day. I'll see you next time.